Hey, what's going on everyone? Matthew from therighttrader.com back today with another cryptocurrency video. This video is sponsored by Modex and I'll be reviewing their project as well as their token sale. Their initial token offering is going to start on September 15th of 2018 and it will last during 9 days. So you'll want to make sure to get in during that period if you're interested. And I'm going to talk about two important key articles here regarding the project. First off is that the Modex whitelist is actually already open as of right now. So they have three different tiers of token packages where you can actually pre-order the tokens already. And if you go over to their website, you can see that you get a certain amount of bonus tokens, which is included with each package. So for the silver package, it's a bonus of 15% more tokens. For the gold package, it's 20% bonus. And for the platinum package, we have a huge 25% bonus which is included. Now, we also have an interesting offering for developers because I didn't get into too much detail about what the Modex platform was about yet, but basically it's the world's first app store for blockchain. And they want to make sure that they can get the biggest amount of developers to help really make this platform thrive because it is the foundation of what the platform is about, right? The developers who make smart contracts and technologies regarding that. So they're offering 1,000 Modex tokens for joining the dev platform. Check that out if you are a developer. Now, going back to the website here, we're going to go ahead and go through a couple interesting points. So first off, we are now in the initial token offering, which is the public sale. For the use of the funds, most of it is actually going to go for marketing and research and development over the next few years here, as you can see. Now, I wanted to talk as well about this gives a rundown of what Modex is really about here. So it's the full suite of blockchain tools in one place, right? So basically, we have an IDE, a valuable tool for developers to use, build, test, and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. There's source code auditing, development platform, a testnet environment, the block explorer, and a suite of oracles. So a lot of stuff here. This may be a bit complicated if you don't know all this technology stuff, but basically great environment for developers here, and that's why it is kind of the foundation of this platform. Also have a really big wide-ranging team here, as they mention, multiple professionals with high-level experience in developing banking and financial software, formers from Ubisoft, Unisoft, Temenos, and Deloitte, as well as committed and skilled team of marketing pros and successful startup entrepreneurs. So very impressive list here, as well as a wide-ranging list of advisors as well. And finally, we reached the end of the website. Make sure to check out their socials. I'll leave a link to all of these in the description of this video. I'm also going to cover the beta platforms that they have. Sorry, these are alpha platforms actually. And already impressive that they have this going on, right? A lot of these ITOs don't even have any type of minimum viable product, and they already have something to back themselves up here. So really interesting stuff, actually. If we take a look at the marketplace, right, we can see the actual, decentralized apps, smart contracts, and such that are actually already available, right? So here, for example, we have a custom token published by someone, and it's a contract to create a digital token, right? So this contract follows ERC-20 standard requirements, allowing the token to interact with web clients as stock exchanges. And this is actually free to get. Now, of course, some of them do cost a certain amount of Modex tokens. It is the main utility token of the platform, so that's what people use to get paid and to pay with. But a lot of stuff already on this this alpha, really interesting. And if you take a look at the developer platform as well, you can see open bounties, right? So this is people who are putting out, a project to be made and will, of course, pay the person who creates it in Modex. So for example here, we have a bounty for building an API reader for CoinMarketCap that sends alerts to an email based on price movements. So the reward for that is 750 Modex, and you can, take a look at the details and join this this bounty if you're, of course, a developer and want to start working on that. So really interesting for developers, and of course just great for building up the blockchain and cryptocurrency community. That's really what they're about here. So their goal is to create this environment which allows to spark growth. Now, let's go through the white paper. A lot of this stuff is pretty technical, and I don't want to go over anything that might be confusing to certain people who don't know all the necessary technical knowledge. So I'm going to stick to what most people want to understand in this video. And first off, we'll talk about the token utility. So Modex is a token-driven marketplace and app platform ecosystem that intends to increase accessibility, trustworthiness, and community of blockchain-enabled smart contracts. We can see that the Modex token intends to empower the following functions. That's what I was talking about before, right? As the actual utility. So you can pay platform fees, you can pay platform service fees, you can pay product fees, you can make smart contract purchases, gain access to a complete suite of APIs for decentralized transactions, and as well, you can Oracle services and validation of smart contracts. They also have a smart token model. This goes into a bit of detail about the utility token that is created as an ERC20 compliant token, divisible up to 18 decimals, and it comes into existence through the sale to contributors in exchange for other accepted currencies like ETH, BTC, and Euro. So it is actually fully convertible to other listed currencies on external exchanges, as well as via internally operated exchange called the Modex exchange. I'll talk about that in more detail later on in this white paper, but let's also talk about the marketplace in more detail and really the whole ecosystem, right? So of course we have Modex, which is the marketplace master, right? This is what we were basically looking at before, and of course the capital coming from investors through the ICO or pre-rounds. And then we have the platform, so that's the marketplace for code. That's what I showed before, right? This right here. We also have the developer community. Those are the producers of code, so the other way around. We have buyers, so that's going to be the customers, businesses, applications, things like that. And then we have external exchanges and the Modex exchange, which are the value converters, right? So for example, the external exchanges will allow users to buy and sell Modex, and as well as the Modex exchange, which allows all Modex holders that to convert, Modex to and from accepted currencies via the Modex exchange directly. So they also talk about the ecosystem in more detail here, the Modex smart contract marketplace. We already went over that in the alpha there. And moving forward, we also wanted to talk about the revenue model. So basically here, what you can see is that they have a revenue split where 70% goes to the developers, so very generous towards the developers there. Other 15% is allocated to the bounty pool, and then 50% is for Modex directly. So I think that's a very fair revenue split in my opinion. And moving forward, we can also see the marketplace features. So this is kind of some groundbreaking stuff here as far as the simplicity is concerned. For example, the smart contract marketplace will deliver a 4-tiered solution. So first of all, plug and play smart contracts, making that super easy. We have custom smart contracts, of course, that marketplace where you can actually, set out bounties and stuff like that. And of course, a simple smart contract customization tool, as well as app integrations. Now, they have their marketplace rollout. That is a 4 main stages plan. First off, they have the developer enrollment, then the smart contract development, the marketplace engagement, and app integrations and partners, as well as customer solutions. So we can also see that they're going to be using existing products and partners to leverage themselves. Things such as Money Mail Me, and many others. So they're working on a lot of different stuff here. You can see the Modex virtual and physical cards, the Modex card and Money Mail Me wallet, and that's doable because of all their partners, right? So let's also talk about the roadmap here is pretty complex. So if you want to take a look, make sure to pause the video and to go through it. But a lot of stuff will be happening over the next few years here. Modex will be putting on the market approximately 197 million tokens over the next 5 years, and they go ahead and list off the allocation here for the tokens. Now, we already went over the use of funds in a more simplistic manner. They go over the team here. With that being said, this is the end of the review for the Modex project and token sale. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like. If you're interested to learn more about Modex, make sure to check out their project and their socials in the description of this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.